Then in our system, you can't do it because we are everywhere. Can't do it. Follow up is strict. We follow up on you pack last such that you excel. We always say that if learners are interested to us, parents give us the learners. When they come here for us, our aim is to transform, as I said in the beginning. We transform these learners and they have never been disappointed. That's why we have this great number. And we believe more are going to come. Either we request for more to come to our campus. Then another thing, the way we organize our academic arena, we have projectors in classes. Learners not only this thing of theory, but they hands-on. Projectors are there. We can project work. They are there, and learners are. For your information, learners even operate them. A learner will connect, then the teacher will disseminate the knowledge to them. If there are pictures, demonstrations, so the learners get exposed. They get exposed. We always have exams, even external. We can also bring external exams. They do and we say our stand. We have partnership with other big schools. We have partnership so that we improve our academics.
So in these sports, our learners are really handling a lot of challenges, pressure, because just like I said that you cannot win every day. There has to be healthy competition. These learners, even when they lose in a match, they do not take it as a loss. They just know that I have lost this match, I made these mistakes, I have to improve. So it becomes a lesson at the end of it all. So sports are very important. Therefore, I just call upon all parents. I encourage them, please, if you have that learner and they are interested, maybe you have a learner who is telling you, have a kid who is telling you, tomorrow I'm the Messi, I am so and so, support them. Do not shun them down, do not turn them down, support them, because it is not all about going to the field and you run around. It is very important. Personally, I am a living example. I remember when I came for interviews at Janan in January 2022, a lot of people had applied for the same teaching post. But there is one thing that made me stand out, because I had an extra of sports. I had these certificates that I had got being a sports lady during school. I was a very good netballer and basketballer. It is this certificate that made me stand out. The interview panel was wondering what extra can she offer. If it wasn't for sports, sincerely speaking, I wouldn't be here today. You can even see that I got an office in less than 3 months simply because of sports. And please don't look at this size and you say she's telling lies. Just come and you find me at the field, you won't believe what you're going to see.
Then we also have another department of modern farming, where our learners get exposed to farming or doing modern farming within a small area, due to the fact that there are learners who are coming from town where there is not too much land. So we saw it important that if we can train them how to use a small piece of land to produce some additional food crops, we saw it important.